The Canon EOS R3 Mark II is one of the most anticipated professional mirrorless cameras on the horizon, and the excitement around it is steadily growing. Positioned as the successor to the already impressive EOS R3, this upcoming model is expected to serve professional sports photographers, wildlife shooters, and hybrid creators who demand speed, reliability, and cutting-edge performance. With the first R3, Canon proved that it could deliver a mirrorless powerhouse with blazing fast autofocus, high burst rates, and excellent video features. Now, with the R3 Mark II, rumors suggest Canon is preparing something even bigger, an upgrade that could rival Sony's A9 III and Nikon's Z9 II in every meaningful way. At the core of the buzz is Canon's intent to continue its tradition of innovation. Just as the original R3 borrowed DNA from the legendary EOS 1D series, the Canon R3 II is expected to evolve that formula, blending speed, durability, and autofocus precision with next-generation technologies. Based on leaks and industry chatter, this won't just be a minor refresh. Canon seems poised to introduce major advancements across processing power, sensor technology, autofocus intelligence, video performance, and overall ergonomics. One of the most talked about potential upgrades for the Canon R3 II is its processor. While the original R3 used the DIGIC X, the new model may feature either the DIGIC X2 or possibly a dual DIGIC configuration. This increase in processing power could open the door to faster sensor readout, more complex autofocus calculations, and extended burst shooting capabilities. The original EOS R3 could already shoot 30 FPS with its electronic shutter, which was groundbreaking at the time. Rumors now suggest that the R3 II could push this even further, potentially reaching burst rates of 40 FPS or beyond. For professional sports shooters covering events like football, motorsports, or the Olympics, this type of speed could be a game changer. Combined with improved buffer performance, photographers may be able to capture long bursts of high-resolution images without slowing down, ensuring they never miss the decisive moment. Perhaps the most exciting area of speculation lies in the sensor. The first R3 featured a 24.1 MP stacked BSI CMOS sensor, which delivered excellent performance. For the R3 Mark II, rumors point to a possible jump to 30 MP or even 36 MP, giving photographers more resolution without sacrificing speed. Some whispers even suggest Canon may take an ambitious leap into global shutter technology. A global shutter would completely eliminate rolling shutter distortion, meaning fast-moving subjects could be captured without the skewed lines or warping often seen with traditional sensors. If Canon does implement this, it would put the R3 II in direct competition with Sony's A9 III, which already boasts global shutter capabilities. For sports and action photographers, this would be a monumental upgrade. Imagine photographing a speeding race car, a tennis player mid-serve, or a bird in flight without worrying about motion artifacts. If true, this alone could make the Canon R3 II one of the most attractive pro bodies on the market. Autofocus has always been one of Canon's strongest areas, and the EOS R3's dual-pixel CMOS f2 system already impressed with its 153 zones and intelligent subject tracking. For the Canon R3 II, expectations are even higher. Canon is likely to expand AI-based autofocus, offering more precise subject recognition. We could see improved tracking of vehicles, birds, athletes, and perhaps even smaller categories such as insects or specific sports equipment. This level of nuanced recognition would allow photographers to stay locked on their subject in unpredictable environments. Another feature rumored for improvement is Canon's eye-controlled autofocus. Reintroduced in the original R3, this system allowed photographers to select focus points by simply looking at them through the electronic viewfinder. With faster processing and refined algorithms, the R3 II's Eye Control AF could become even more accurate and responsive. For professionals covering live events, where every second matters, this intuitive control system could be a huge asset. While the EOS R3 was already strong in video, capable of 6K RAW at 60 FPS and 4K at 120 FPS, the Canon R3 Mark II may take things to another level. According to leaks, it could offer internal 8K recording at 60 FPS, potentially even in 12-bit cinema RAW live format. In addition, 4K recording may reach up to 240 FPS, making it a powerhouse for slow-motion production. If these specs hold true, the R3 II won't just be a stills camera with video on the side, it could rival dedicated cinema cameras. With improved heat management expected, Canon may also address one of the lingering issues with earlier mirrorless bodies: overheating during long recording sessions. Efficient thermal control would make the Canon R3 II a reliable option for broadcast work, high-end filmmaking, and hybrid creators who demand both speed and cinematic quality. In this sense, the R3 II could compete not just with Sony's FX3 line, but also with hybrid monsters like Panasonic's GH7. Canon seems determined to push this camera into serious filmmaking territory while maintaining its professional photo identity. The Canon R3 II is expected to retain the rugged design and integrated vertical grip that professionals love, offering weather sealing and durability suitable for the harshest environments. However, refinements are expected. Leaks suggest Canon may introduce a slightly larger and brighter EVF, a higher resolution touchscreen with better responsiveness, and more tactile feedback on essential buttons. A redesigned articulating LCD with improved brightness in sunlight could also be on the table, addressing concerns from some R3 users. Canon may also fine-tune the user interface, improving the quick menu system and adding more customizable controls. Small but meaningful changes like these can dramatically enhance usability, especially for professionals working long hours in the field. Connectivity is another area where the Canon R3 II is likely to shine. Dual CFexpress Type-B card slots are expected, giving photographers faster write speeds and more reliable backup options for high-resolution stills and 8K RAW video. Wireless connectivity may see a big boost as well. Dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, and improved FTP/SFTP support could streamline workflows for photojournalists and live sports photographers. Some rumors even suggest optional 5G integration, either built-in or via an add-on module, enabling real-time uploads to cloud platforms or remote editing suites. These features could transform how professionals work, especially in fast-paced environments where speed of delivery is just as important as capturing the perfect shot. The Canon EOS R3 Mark II is shaping up to be much more than a simple refresh. From potential global shutter technology to blistering fast burst rates, from 8K 60p RAW video to enhanced AI autofocus, this camera seems designed to raise the bar for professional mirrorless systems. If Canon delivers on even half of the rumored features, global shutter, better heat management, 8K internal RAW, and 40 FPS burst, it could be the definitive camera for sports, wildlife, and hybrid creators. Positioned between the Canon R5 Mark II and the Flagship R1, the Canon R3 II will likely stand as the perfect balance of speed, precision, and cutting-edge innovation. For professionals who demand it all, the Canon R3 II could be the gold standard, rugged, responsive, and ready to handle the future of high-performance photography and filmmaking.